The question is, find the equation of a line passing through the point 2, 2 and cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Now to solve this question, we need to know certain concept formulae, and the required formula here is this, that equation of a line that cuts x-intercept equal to a and y-intercept equal to b is given by x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. As you can see, this is your x-intercept, this is your y-intercept. Okay. Now to solve this question, we have to find the equation of a line which passes through this point 2, 2 and cuts off and intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Okay. Now since the line cuts off the intercept such that the sum of intercepts is 9, so this means that the line is going to cut the coordinate axis x-axis and y-axis in such a way that the value of a, that is x-intercept, and y-intercept would give you the total equal to 9. So this means a plus b is equal to 9, or b is equal to 9 minus a. Okay. Now using the intercept form of the line, we have x upon a plus y upon b as equal to 1. So I can write x upon a plus y upon b, and instead of b I have written 9 minus a equal to 1, which is our equation number 1. Actually this is the required equation of the line, and if we know that the value of a, okay, so substituting the value of a in this equation would give us the equation of the required line. So we assume that this is an imaginary line which represents the equation number 1. Okay, for the time being we can imagine that it represents the equation number 1. Now since point 2, 2, that is 2, 2 lie on this line, therefore it is going to satisfy this equation. So as the line passes through this point 2, 2, so it is going to satisfy this equation. Therefore we can write 2 upon a plus 2 upon 9 minus a is equal to 1. Now we are going to solve the value of a with the help of this equation. Okay, so solving for the value of a, first of all we will take LCM and start the adding process, LCM of these two terms, and start the adding process, and we are going to get a into 9 minus a is equal to 2 into 9 minus a plus 2a is equal to 1. This value cross multiplies to give me, now you can see here that 9 2s are 18. This will be minus 2a and plus 2a cancels, so I get here 18, and this is going to be 9a minus a square, so I get 18 is equal to 9a minus a square. Okay, so on taking a square here, 9a zeros. Therefore you can in short say that on rearranging this equation I get the equation like this. Now we are going to break minus 9 into the two values so that the total remains minus 9 and product is plus 18. So these values are quite simple to imagine, and they are minus 6a and minus 3a. For 9 the values are minus 6 and 3, and for 9a we can break it as minus 6a and 3a. Okay, so taking a common and minus 3 common, I get a minus 6 in both the cases. Further taking a minus 6 common, I get the factors as a minus 3 into a minus 6 as equal to 0. So I get a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 6. Now this was our equation number 1, which I have discussed that on placing the value of a we will get the equation of line, and we have calculated a is equal to 3 or a is equal to 6. Okay, so placing the value of a equal to 3, that is when a is equal to 3 from equation number 1, we get x upon 3 plus y upon 9 minus 3, that is 6, is equal to 1. So this is one of the equation of the line, and when a is equal to 6 from equation number 1 we can get x upon 6 plus y upon 3 is equal to 1. So lines given by equation number 2 and equation number 3 are the required lines according to the given condition, and this is our required answer. So this is how we are going to calculate the equations of line. Thank you. Please support us by subscribing to our channel, by liking this video and giving your comment for the video.